Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using this candy jar from Dollar Tree, these stickers from Amazon, and a Santa hat from Dollar Tree. I took Mod Podge and poured some inside the candy jar and used a sponge to spread it out. And I added in some water to make it spread easier. I just covered the entire inside with a layer of the Mod Podge. And while the Mod Podge was still wet, I took this lime green glitter that I got from Hobby Lobby, poured it into the candy jar, and just shook it and moved it around to spread out the glitter. Just kept adding more as needed. And then I added on the lid and just shook it real good to make sure that I had everything covered. Next, I took these Grinch face decals that I got from Amazon. I took the largest set that comes on there, and I took the eyes and placed it on what is actually the side of the candy jar, the flat area. Placed those down and smoothed it out, and then added in the mouth. And then I took this LED push light that I got from Dollar Tree, put some batteries in it, and then I'll be placing that on the inside part of the lid. It has a self-adhesive sticker on there. Turn the light on and then added the lid back on. And then the Santa hat I got from Dollar Tree, and it was a little too big, so what I'm doing is just taking some of it and folding it up and hot gluing it to the bottom part of the hat. That'll just make the opening smaller. Rather than cutting it and reforming it, I just folded it on the inside to make the bottom part smaller to fit better. Now, Dollar Tree sometimes has larger candy jars, which it would fit better, but typically I can only find the smaller ones. So this is the smaller one. And then once the hat was done, what I'm doing is putting it on top of the lid. And then I'm going to glue it to the front part of the lid just to make it easier for turning the light on and off. And then holding the hat into place. And I also hot glued down the top of the hat just so it stays in place on the front. That's it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.